Hey guys, it's Don
and Cassie.
So we're back for another vlog, and today's video we're just gonna give you guys
an update
of our lives, because we haven't been posting in a while, so this is our update. So we're just gonna tell you guys our life at the moment. So now we're here in Bohol because we have a project. We're doing a movie here.
And this is our first ever international project. We've been here for like 3 months already, and we'll be staying here for a few months. So we're gonna give you guys a unit tour,
Room tour,
a room tour,
resort tour. So this is living room slash.
There's no couch.
Yeah, there's no couch. Yeah, and we will show you guys our bedroom. Let's go. I'm gonna close the door behind you, and this is our bed. A small bed, it's enough for both of us. So it's very nice bed. And then our view. I'm gonna show you guys the bathroom. Very nice. Very nice. And this is the toilet. This is it is. Yes, and here. Then there's this. This is convenient, not for me but for you. Our bathroom with a nice view of the
Yes,
sea.
we can meditate here.
And our
What?
house here.
Oh yeah. So that's what.
And we can chill over here.
Balik we can chill.
You can also.
What?
That's our pool, guys. It's only for us. Nobody can.
It's only for us.
Yes.
This is very important for me because I love to meditate. Ay, bye na din. Wala si Telon na sinubabahan eh. The vlog. Oh, gawin ba kayo? Ay, darating ka nagapahan eh. Ay, darating ay. Nalibog na ko. Nalibog na ko. Sige, nagapahan rin. Daray. Ay, darating ay. Ay, ka na mga bata ko. Ay, na to siya. Toron. Daray. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Uy, let's go, boy. Di ba, Max? Ito yung mga baby namin dito. Si Drake and Heidi. Ang baby namin. Ay, baby ko din. Ito po yung baby ko. Ha? Hi, vlog! Hi!
Cam 3, rolling!
Reading!
You have to fucking kill me.
Scene
30, shot 2, take 1. Scene 30, shot 2, take 1. Scene 30, shot 2, take 1.
Action.
You have to be fucking kidding me. You're not going for retard on me, are you?
No. No sense in getting heat up about this. We got insurance.
Scene shot 3, and 3A, take 2.
Wait up.
Action.
So guys, we're here at the studio now. The hash night at the...
Hi, good morning!
Good morning.
Hi. 4 a.m.
Hey guys, we're on our way to the site. We're in the van right now.
Grabe yung tutuloy.
Nag-breakdown. Nag-breakdown si Freckles. Sumakoy.
Early shoot. Early shoot, love, no?
So, we're now here at our location. So, dito po kami mag-shooting.
First location, no?
First location. So, iba na naman yung shooting namin mamaya. Anong Tagalog mo ko? So, ito po
Namatias
yung mga cameraman namin. Nag-aantay lang po kami sa... Nag-aantay lang kami. Nagbuhat mo sa uban ng mga ambot.